Hi guys, in this video I will show you what is the use of box sizing border box in CSS. So as you can see, I have created a HTML file with name demo. So inside this I'm going to create a boilerplate in order to run our document in browser. So now let me run our file with live server so that our document will be opened in Chrome browser. As you can see, our document is successfully opened. So inside this I'm going to create a div tag with class name box1 and another div tag with class name box2. So now let me add some styles to this box1 and box2 by using this style tag. So inside this I'm going to add CSS styles. So I'm going to select this class name with box1 inside our style tag by using dot and then box1. So I'm going to add some width of 200 pixels as well as height of 200 pixels. So now let me give some padding of 20 pixels and background color as red. So now if you see our output, a square box is coming, right? So let me add same style to this box 2 as well. So let me paste it and change this 1 to 2. So now as you can see, they both are attached. So now you cannot able to know which is box 1 and which is box 2. So to identify that, let me add a margin top of 20 pixels so that you can able to know which is box 1 and which is box 2. As you can see, now there is a gap between these two boxes. So this is box 1, this is box 2, right? So now here, if I add box sizing border box, see the width of this box 2. Now as you can see, the width of this box 2 is decreased, right? Because of after adding this box sizing border box, the width of this box 2 is decreased, right? So now the width of this first box is more than the second box. But as you can see, we have only given same width and height for these two boxes. But why this first box width is more than this second box width? So it's because after adding box sizing border box value, if you write, if you add additional properties like padding or anything border like some 10 pixel solid black, so even if I add that, as you can see, the width of this second box is still same because of this property box sizing border box. So if you add this box sizing border box value, the padding border as well as margin, all these properties will take place, will occupy the space only of its available width, which is 200 pixels. But here if you give, here as you can see, we have not given box sizing border box, that's why it is occupying the, so it occupies extra space of this padding. So the default value of this box sizing is content box. So even if you don't add this box sizing content box property, browser will automatically take this as default value and it will style our document by using these properties whatever we have given. So this, now the width of this first box will be 200 pixels plus this padding of 20 pixels. So this padding 20 pixels will be added from left padding as well as right padding. So it will be the total of padding 40 pixels. So the width of this first box will be 200 pixels plus padding left 20 pixels plus 20 pixels, which means the width of this first box is 240 pixels. That's why it is larger than the second box. But as you can see, we have given same properties here, right? But we have added this box sizing border box property. So by adding this property, our browser will know what, how this style should be applied. So since we have given this box sizing border box, the padding and this border will occupy only space of its maximum width, which is this 200 pixels. So now let me add border for this as well for the first box. So I'm going to add some border of 10 pixels solid with black color. So now as you can see, the border is applied for first box as well. So I'm going to add 100 pixels of border for the first box. So please keep your eyes on browser guys, so that you can able to understand what this box size and border box is. So I'm going to add 100 pixels for this first box as well as for the second box. So now as you can see, the width of this first box is increased more, but the second box width, it still remains same. So it's because even if we add border of 100 pixels solid black, this border will only occupy the space of its width, which is 200 pixels. But here if we add 100 pixels solid black, this border will increase the width of this 200 pixels because we have not added this box size and border box property. So now the width of this first box is 200 pixels plus padding left of 20 pixels as well as padding right of 20 pixels. So if we give a single value of 20 pixels here, this will take padding left of 20 pixels as well as padding right of 20 pixels. So now this padding will be 40 pixels. So 200 pixels plus 40 pixels plus this 100 pixels, which means 340 pixels, right? So now the first box width is 340 pixels, even if we only give this width as 200 pixels. But the second box width still remain 200 pixels only. That's because we have added box size and border box. So if we give this box size and border box, even if we give padding or border, the width still remains same, but the styles will be applied only with its available width, which is 200 pixels. So I hope you will understand this, guys. So if you don't understand, please comment down so that I will try to explain it again. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.